get back to work. So life में ना motive होना चाहिए यार, because you know if you don't have motivations for yourself, you will never be able to do anything. Because obviously people and society will kill you. They'll try to pull you down, but at the end of the day, you have to pick yourself and move on. So that's where the game is. Because कुछ नहीं कर सकते यार, ये दुनिया ही ऐसी है, and people, we are human beings, so obviously everybody will be looking at them, or taking care of themselves, or they wanted to move ahead, so no one can say anything on that. These are the human natures. इतना ट्रैफिक है. Now what I feel inside my helmet is like, यार कोई तो तवे में चपाती बना रहा है. I feel like that. It's already sweating inside like hell. So इसमें से प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि सर्दी हो जाता है. Because of that, headache, and we are not able to do the work properly. That's a problem. So the solution निकालना ज़रूरी है ना bro. You can't cut the helmet from above. चलो, आज तो हम जल्दी पहुंच रहे हैं ऑफिस. Anyhow, it's 9. It will take 9:30 because गेट पास लो, ऊपर जाओ, साइन इन करो, 2 रजिस्टर में एंट्री करो. It's all safety precautions that we need to do. Then after that, go in the desk, arrange your bag, take out your books, diary. And make your plan for today. That's a big task. If you don't have a plan for a day, then you're fucked up. Because अगर प्लान ही नहीं है तो क्या एग्जीक्यूट करेगा ब्रो? This is what I have learned here. This new job, the new manager, the new colleagues. You have to be very fast, You can't be slow. So this is where I used to take left, but now I'm going straight to Mullen Bridge, connectivity. From there I will go to my office. So यार ठीक है, राइड का तो प्लान करना ही पड़ेगा because it's been a long time राइड के लिए नहीं गए. I don't know when I'll go because of this back pain also ना, थोड़ा डर लग रहा है. I don't know, ज़्यादा नहीं हो जाए, ऑपरेट करने की टाइम ना आ जाए. Jesus is there, he'll protect us, no problem. But the thing is, we have to be also in control. And I to be much ध्यान कर रहे हैं. We are living on, and you have given this, you have given that. Like, it's not like that. Doesn't work like that. So it's 8:15, and now just now I'm getting from the office. यार सुबह से इतना काम. That's okay to stay late in the office because because you're new in the zone and you need to learn few things. थोड़ा late हो गया. Just now I'm getting off Eastern Express Highway, and this दीदी इंडिकेटर डाल के चला रही है. आपका इंडिकेटर चालू है? वाइजर चेंज करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इट्स रिफ्लेक्टिंग लॉट. थोड़ा डिस्कम्फर्ट फील हो रहा है बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी 1 year, more than 1 year. I haven't changed my visor. And Endura battery is working good. Yesterday I brought it and now I can see there are still 50% up. And morning around 40 minutes, half an hour, I might have run it continuously. अच्छा है. Finally, I'm near my home. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Daniel Motovlog. And yes, so see you guys tomorrow. Until then, bye bye, take care, good night.